Hello. This video is a guide on how to use the sweep command for 3D modeling in AutoCAD 2021. Switch the workspace into 3D modeling. Then hover to this tool here, and change it to SE isometric. As well as the button above it, change it into shaded. Next is this UCS icon here, type UCSI, and select No Origin from the UCS icon command. From here, hover to this button and click it. This will turn on the ortho mode for our drawing. This command will enable us to make sure that the lines we draw are straight. Just make sure that ortho mode is on. Always check the console log type message here at the command bar. Then now, we will start drawing lines. Since we have enabled the ortho mode, we can now draw lines in any direction, without worrying about the straightness of the lines. Check this part, and notice that the angle never change. Now, we have created these connected lines. We will use this figure as the path for our sweep command. But first, let us create a circle element here. To do that, change this drop-down list from World to Front option. Then type C to initiate the circle command. Specify your desired radius of the circle, then press Enter. Use the Move command to move this circle, and specify the center point of it as the base point. Hover to this location, and click the appearing box symbol here which indicates as the end point of this line. The next thing we will do is to join these lines. Make sure that all the lines were selected, for us to successfully initiate the join command. As all the lines were selected, type J to initiate the command. This will join all the lines we created. Then now, we will use the sweep command. Click this button in the ribbon menu, and select the circle as the object. Press Enter. Then select the line as the sweep path. As you press Enter, this figure will appear. Next thing we will do is to make our figure a hollow one. From the Solid Editing menu, click this drop-down list, and select Shell option. Select our 3D figure, then press Enter. Select the faces of the figure to be removed, then press Enter. Specify the offset distance, or the thickness of the wall of our hollow figure. Press Enter, then this hollow pipe-looking figure will appear. For the next part, I will show you other cool things you can do with the sweep command. First, from the Coordinates menu, click this drop-down list and select Right option. Then draw these two lines following the same method we did earlier. Transform the edge created by these lines onto a curved structure. From the Modify menu, select this button to initiate the Fillet command. Select the Radius option, and then specify the radius of your choice. Select the two lines and this figure will appear. Select all the lines involved in the figure, then type J to initiate the Join command, as we want to transform these lines into a single one. Again, hover to the drop-down list in the Coordinates menu. Select the top option as we will create a circle element on the ground surface. Use the same method we did earlier to draw a circle. Now, we will use the sweep command. Type sweep to initiate the command. Next is select the circle as the object, and press enter. Select the line as the sweep path, then press enter again. This figure will appear. You can make this figure a hollow one as well, the same way we did earlier by doing also the same procedures. For this one, instead of a circle, we will create a rectangle element. However, we will still follow the same method in connecting the rectangle to the line. As we created and connected the rectangle element, we will use the sweep command. We will use another feature of the said command. It is called twist, and this one allows us to create twisted 3D figures. From these sweep options, select the twist. Here, we need to specify twist angle, and be reminded that 360 degrees is equivalent to one twist turn. After you specify the twist angle, press enter to select the sweep path. Select the line element, then press enter, and you will see this figure here. For the next one, I created a circle element and connected it to the line. Initiate the sweep command, and select the circle element. From the sweep options, select scale. Enter the scale factor you want, then press enter. Select the line as the sweep path, and this figure will appear. As you can see, the radius of the figure decreases along the way. For this figure, we will create a slide-looking figure. But first, follow the procedures I am about to do. Now we are set to take the next step. But before that, we will copy our created figure first because I forgot to mention that we will create a ribbon-like figure as well. We will create the slide first. Initiate the sweep command, then select this object here. On the sweep options, select the base point option, and specify the end point of the line as the base point. Then select the line that will act as the sweep path. Press enter, then you will see this figure. You can modify the line we used as the sweep path to make it look like a slide in greater aspect. Moving on, we will create the ribbon-like figure now using the same object here. Initiate the sweep command, and select this object. On the sweep options, select the twist option. Press enter to specify the twist angle. And reminder, 360 degrees is equivalent to one twist turn. Now, select the sweep path. This is now the ribbon-like figure we created. You can use erase command to remove the line here. Before we proceed to the next figure, follow first the steps I am doing right now. As you can see here, if I try to sweep this object here, an error message appears in the command bar. For us to sweep this, we should use a command that will separate the arrayed circles. Type X to initiate the explode command, and select the object. As you can see now, the arrayed circles are separated to each other. The object was arrayed earlier, so the circles are recognized as a single object. Now, we will initiate the sweep command. For the object selection, select each of the circles we created. Make sure that they were all selected. Then on the sweep options, click the twist option. Again, you will specify the twist angle here. After that, select the line as the sweep path. As you press enter, this figure here will appear. Now we have a figure which looks like a twisted copper which can be found inside a cable wire. And that is all for the basics of the sweep command. Thank you.